We're going to be welding a mini skateboard today. You're going to watch me weld out the mini skateboard, and I have it planned out. So, do you remember my first weld? If you do, send me a link that says I do. So, I guess we're going to get started.
We have a box of like 5,000 nails, and Eddie wanted to make something out of them. And what are you gonna make out of them today?
A mini skateboard.
A mini skateboard. And we have it drawn up right there. Mini skateboard. Among other things that he had sketched out, he wanted to do a mini skateboard. I don't know if we're gonna need all these nails, but he got quite a few up. He had to break them all apart. We spent a long time doing that. And so one of the first things we gotta do is figure out kind of the overall size of the skateboard, right? Because we didn't know.
How they're going to start bending the nails is we're just going to bend the front and the back a little bit.
So Eddie, how long do you want the skateboard? Because you got two nails. Go about that far, and then you can bend a front and a back, like a U. How big is the skateboard gonna be?
Like that.
About that, plus the nose and the tail, or do you want these to be bent? Or do you want to bend one right here? Bend another one. So we're just taking these nails and we're just having a good old time bending the overall shape. How do you want to put these in here? Do you want to just lay them down and then we can just kind of tack them together? Do you want to put nails inside?
Yeah.
Do you want them this way?
Yeah. Just
like that. Are they going to be touching, or do you want them spaced out a little bit?
touching.
Touching. We always gotta try and get nice and close. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just try bending the nose and the tail on the skateboard. And luckily, this should be pretty good. Going that way. A little bit more, a little bit less.
The front should have less and the back should have more.
Is this the front, or is that the front?
That's the front.
This is the front, and so it needs to be right there, and this needs to go more. Or, let's see here. Because we gotta kind of tack a bunch of these together. Let's put these right here.
More tacking now?
Oh, yeah, 1 second. hey, 6 years old. 6 years old, and he's not doing too bad. He's welding better than some of my sophomores. Some of your first welds don't even look that good. I like this one. We're going to bend it right here. And we're going to bend it on this weld.
I need my helmet on. So just put me.
Yeah, well, look at you go. Being very safety first. Now that we've got this bent and welded together, we need to put it inside our frame. And we need to cut it a little bit, right? So it fits. But it might take a little bit of grinding. We are almost there. Just a little fine tuning on the front of this skateboard. Dreaming of an endless night. Darkness triumphs over light. Overwhelming sense of ease. Every pain I know. What we're working on now is we're going to try and make wheels. Eddie thinks we're going to cut out of the pipe, which is not a bad idea. How'd that go? Use the fire. Yep. You gotta wait for Dad. You're not getting it close enough. That wire's still too far away. Closer. Closer. Get the gun closer. Nice and close. See where the wire's pointing? You gotta point that wire right on the edge of the pipe where it's touching the skateboard. You try and watch the wire while you weld. Alright? It's very important to see that wire while you're welding. Okay. Yep. You see how that works? When we weld, we're not lazy welders, right? Lazy welders leave it like this, okay? Real welders bring up their elbow, okay? You understand? Yeah. See how, where's my gun pointing right now? Well, but see how it's going, it's going to come out at a straight line, right? But if I raise my elbow, where's my gun pointing now? Straight down. And so if I'm welding something, it needs to stay short and close. The best way to do that is raise your elbow. Thumbs up. Say, real welders raise their elbows. That's right. Dunk that in. Okay, flip it around. Okay.
Flat space to weld it onto.
Alright. I think what we need to do is I need to come in here, maybe put a couple tacks, and then we need to take the grinder to the top of this so it's not so rough. It'll cut you right now. All right, so we're gonna do some grinding now on the skateboard to smooth it out. Okay, so we're just polishing things up. Darkness wash over me. Give us a thumbs up.
We might need to polish it a little more.
Oh, yeah. I think we're done. Where's your pipe go? Right here, huh? Okay, Eddie still wants to try and weld a little bit. So this is our bonus footage. Grab your gun. You want me to rotate it while you're welding? I don't think that's going to work. You're going to have to do a little bit at a time. Yep. Alright. Okay, so we're going to start where we left off, and we're just going to do another short little run, okay? Okay. All right. Okay. Put your gun down. Pick this up at the top. Keep your fingers away from there. Yep. There you go. Is that warm? Yeah, sometimes that steam will go through the pipe. Let's see if it will hold water. Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't think she's holding water. Yeah, maybe it's not leaking water. Oh wait. Yeah, I think it's leaking. What I want you to do on that is let's post some comments on what Eddie can do to improve on going around his pipe. I have some ideas in my head what I think he'll need to do, but I want to hear what you have to say so we can teach Eddie something about doing a pipe to plate. That's a pretty challenging weld for a 6-year-old. Good job, Eddie. Okay, I think we're done.